Hello everyone, my name is ROSCA Francesco and I'm an IT student at IT Servico Mattei in Urbino. Today I would like to talk to you about the Opera AI, the artificial intelligence assistant integrated directly in the Opera browser, which was previously known as ARIA. Instead of just listing this feature, I will show you how it can actually be used in everyday situation. To start using Opera AI, the first thing you need to do is install the Opera browser or the Opera GX if you prefer the version. Once you installed it, you will notice an AI icon in the sidebar. By clicking this icon, a chat window will appear, and from that moment you can begin interact with assistants in a very natural way, simply by typing your question or request. One of the most useful features is the intelligent chat. For example, if I type something like explain what a computer network is, OpenAI quickly provides a clear and understandable explanation. This can be very helpful for students, especially when studying complex topics, because it allows you to immediate clarification without searching through multiple websites. Another very particular function is page summarization. Imagine opening a long article online, for example, the New York Times. Instead of reading the entire text, you can ask OpenAI to summarize the page. In just a few seconds, it analyzes the content and give you the main points, which save a lot of time and help you focus on the most important thing for information. OpenAI is also capable of generating different type of content. For instance, I could type write a formal email to a teacher asking for an extension on a homework assignment. In a short time, the AI produces a complete and well-structured email that I can copy and use. Another example could be asking it to create a short presentation about cybersecurity for a school project. The AI immediately generates a clear and organized text that can be served as a base for slides. And if someone needs help with programming, I could just type show me an example for a loop in C that print numbers from 1 to 10, and OpenAI will instantly provide the correct code, which I could then copy in a compiler and run to demonstrate that it works. There is also a creative side to OpenAI. It can generate images based on a simple description. For example, if I write a futuristic city at night, the AI creates an image inspired by that description. This feature can be very useful for creative project, presentation, or simply to experiment with ideas. In conclusion, OpenAI is much more than a simple search tool. It acts as a real digital assistant inside the browser, supporting users in studying, creating content, and navigating the web more efficiently. This demonstrates how modern browsers are evolving. They are no longer just tools to access websites, but intelligent systems that actively help users interact with information in a faster and more efficient way.